In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Game No License Found error. This message usually pops up when Steam's local files or licensing data are out of sync with what the servers expect. Well, walk through a clean set of fixes, starting inside the Steam client. Then moving to a couple of quick refreshes that often clear it up. First, open Steam and head to your library. Locate the game that's showing the error. Right-click the game, choose Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let this run to completion. If anything is missing or corrupted, Steam will re-download or repair it, which often resolves license. Related mismatches tied to bad manifests or incomplete updates. Next, opt into the Steam Beta client, which can include newer licensing and login components. In the top left, open Steam, choose Settings, then Interface. Under Client Beta Participation, select Steam Beta Updates or Steam Families Beta. Steam will prompt you to restart. Accept it. Don't worry, you can switch back later, but the beta channel frequently contains fixes that haven't rolled to the general client yet. After that, clear your download cache to force Steam to refresh its network and content state. Go to Steam, Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Cache. Steam will restart and may ask you to sign in again. This step purges stale delivery data that can block license checks from completing properly. Now, log out of your Steam account and log back in. This refreshes your session tokens and pulls your current licenses from Steam's servers. Use the account menu to sign out. Then sign in again with the account that owns the game. Once you are back, try launching the game to see if the message is gone. If your game launches through an external launcher common with certain Rockstar or third-party titles, use this path refresh trick. Close the external game launcher completely. Then, go to your Steam installation folder and temporarily rename it, for example to Steam 123. Start the external launcher once, so it redetects the path. Then close it and rename your Steam folder back to its original name. This forces the external launcher to rebuild its link to Steam, which can resolve stubborn no license handoffs. That's it. Thanks for watching.